Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. Today we have an Orly box. Let's see what's in it. So this is the Spring 2023 Orly collection, Hopeless Romantic. We get this card. It has a summary of the colors that are in it, some bonuses, and some nail art guides, tips. We're not using these, we're doing our own. Let's look at the bonus items. Alright, so firstly we have this nail art brush, which actually comes in handy. I had got some out for today, but it would make a whole lot more sense if we just used this one, wouldn't it? It is ultra fine. Can never have too many of these because I know I mess them up with time. That is real small. I don't know if I'm going to be needing to do nail art this small, but if I do, I guess I'll use this one. And then if we dig a little deeper, we have this Orly One Night Stand Peel Off Base Coat. I considered using this base coat today, but I want my polish to stay for the week. So we're gonna hold off on this one, and we're actually going to use the Orly Bonder instead. Now let's look at these colors. Okay, so here's the box. Looks like we've got some glitters, some shimmer, and some cream. Let's open her up. Yes, so we have light blue, dark blue, purple, dark pink, light pink, red. I did make some swatches of these already, so I am going to go through those with you and these that go with them. So first we have this one. It is called Oh Darling. This is our red. We are going to use all of these colors today in one way or another. The next one is our light pink. It is called Meet Cute. It's almost a salmony pink. The next one is the one that I like to consider a dark pink, but it's really a purple. It's in between. It is called Check Yes or No. And then we have this shimmery purple. It's got blue shimmer. It is called Opposites Attract. Our dark blue glitter, these glitters are sheer, so bear that in mind, is called Serendipity. And then our light blue glitter, which is a shimmer as well, also transparent, is called Written in the Stars. Alright, so let's quickly throw this bonder base down. Alright, so we're going to start on the outside and of course work our way in so that we don't stick our hand to the wet paint. Firstly, we're going to go in with this here light pink for the base color on the pinky. That's actually a little more sheer than I expected it to be. I'm going to get all my first coats down and then I'll go back and do second coats. Next finger, we're doing this light purple-ish for the ring finger base. Let's do this light blue shimmer for the middle finger. Now the dark purple shimmer. And then for the thumb, we're doing the red. Alright, so we've got those on. We're going to give that a moment, and then I'm going to go over with a coat of Orly Second Dry, and then I'll be back. Alright, I've zoomed us in a little bit so you can see. We're about to do some nail art. Now, y'all know how my nail art is, so we're going to certainly hope for the best. We're going to start by trying to make something decent happen over here. I've got some polish set out so I can dip my brush in it. Straight lines are very difficult for the likes of me. Okay, that's not terrible. Let's see if we can't fill that in a little bit. I keep sticking my other finger on my other hand to another finger on this hand. That is not good for it. Alright, let's see here. I would like to have a sharp corner here don't know if I'm going to be able to though. Not exactly. That's okay though. Could be much worse. And let's do a similar thing over here. Alright, so we'll give that a moment to dry while we move to the next finger. So I'm going to try and draw a heart on the tip of this finger. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we'll see. I almost feel like I should actually just use the bottle brush, and that's probably right. I don't know why I got some out. Let's just try. Alright, so want one curve here. Yes, okay. So that's not terrible. And then we want another curve here. And then we basically just color it in. Now, this might look a little bit like an apple because the end of my finger is not pointed, but that's okay. It's a heart French. Nonetheless, we are going to try and add a little bit in over here. Yeah, that's pretty good. A lot easier than I was expecting. I got a big old blob of polish out for no reason. That's okay though. And then we're actually going to come over here to the thumb and do a very similar thing. Alright, not bad, not bad. Let's see if we can't get a little covered in here. Yes. Alright, these are a little bit dry, so we're going to take this other blue and go the other way with them. Alright, this is what we've got going so far. Not terrible. This last one we're going to put hearts. So let me get out some polish piles and then we'll do that. Okay, so we're going to use our dotting tool to make our little dots and then pull it together with our brush. Let's start with the dark blue one, I suppose. Let's get one dot. 2 dot. And a little bitty brush. Not quite as little as the one that came with this set, but still small. And we just want to pull them together in a V and then connect them in the middle as well. That's a heart. Alright, nextly, I guess we'll do a red one. Alright. Yes, I think we're missing a color. It's this one. I wonder if I can put maybe a point of it up here. Yes, let's just give us a heart butt coming down right here. Perfect. Alright, so we've got all the colors, we've got all the fingers. We've made a pretty fair looking hopeless romantic fingernails, I would say. So we're going to give these a few minutes to dry and then quick dry top coat them. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I did go ahead and put another layer of top coat. This is where we're going to leave it. I thought about putting rhinestones with it, but I don't think that's necessary. So I'm going to get you some pictures outside. If possible, if we can get some sunlight, you know how that's been recently. If not, though, here's what we have. We used only the colors in the box. There is a good variety. This isn't usually the way I would do my nails. It's not my style. I do think these colors would double for Easter, so that's convenient. But if you've got this box and you do some nail art, definitely tag me in it on social media. be following me on TikTok and Instagram. I do post things over there sometimes that I don't post here on YouTube, and definitely make sure that you are subscribed. As I have been saying, that giveaway is coming and you want to be here for it. So thank you again for watching my video. Thank you for your like and your comments, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.